Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Alright, this video I'm going to show you how to repair. I'm going to show you how to repair this crack so it can look better than, you know, they're hanging down like this and everybody's going to be staring at you like, whoa, look at that. Alright, so all you're going to need is a drill bit. Make sure you get a drill bit that is a little bit bigger than the zip tie that you're going to be using. Okay. Okay, alright, so I'm going to drill 5 holes. So let's say 1. Alright, then we get the zip tie. You get the zip tie, so you're gonna start from up here, work your way down. So I'm gonna go in the top hole right here. If I can find it. Okay, right there, and then I'll stick it in here. As I stick it in, I try to line up the other end so it clips on right away. But I'm not gonna make it tight yet. For now, I'm just gonna stick all of them in, just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna work my way from up here down. Like that, then I get to the next one. You can do this there's 2 ways to do it. If you want to do it, you can put another one crossing it over, so you have like little X. But I like it like this. It looks way cleaner. And now I'm just gonna come inside and cut all this extra. Just go right on it. Look at that. Now look at that. That's how you do it. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so here's another card that I did, just like the other one we just did. The only difference here, I put 2 and 2 side by side. And then, you know, having 4 holes like that, you can cross them. You can go from there to here, from here to there. So you have an X. But I like that one.